Just so you know, it's not April. And look at this, bluebonnets. In September, pretty amazing, right? This was out at Lake Buchanan. Thanks to Dylan for these photos. In case you're wondering, this is going to go down as the 11th driest September on record. A little hotter than average as well due to our recent hot weather. But today, let's not talk about the heat. Instead, let's talk about the lower humidity and the nice cold front that rolled through. 76 now after a high of 95 degrees. All right, so the good news is mornings are going to be crisp. Humidity's going to be low. The bad news is dry air also heats up really easily. I've got high temperatures 90 or hotter for the next 7 straight days. Outside right now, it's as cool as 69 in Willow City, 67 in Harper, and by daybreak tomorrow, many of you will be waking up to 50s and low 60s. Part of that's due to the drier air coming in. Dew points in the 50s, that is refreshing air. And instead of just a little quick dip into 50s, I'm expecting pleasant dew points to last all the way through the weekend and next week as well. Overnight in Austin, 66 degrees. The average low is 67. It's been a while since we've seen cooler than average temperatures, and that's exactly where we're heading for lows at least. Tomorrow morning, 58 in Llano, 64 degrees in Elgin. Through the day, though, abundant sunshine, and it won't be long before you say, okay, it's still warm/hot, but at least not humid. High temperature of 90, the record of 107. Obviously, we'll be safe. Out in the hill country, 84 in Mason. Georgetown, about 87 for you, 90 degrees in Lockhart, 91 in San Marcos. We're continuing to track Hurricane Helene, still a Category 1 hurricane. Continuing to head northward through very warm Gulf of Mexico waters. Expected to become a Category 2 by tomorrow morning, and then a Category 4 by tomorrow evening. Packing winds up to 130 miles per hour. At this point, storm surge could be as high as 15 to 20 feet. That's catastrophic. Rain totals could exceed 18 inches in some spots, and the track is going to push it right through North Georgia and on into Middle Tennessee. All of this means we'll see a lot of flooding as well as power outages. So while our friends to the east are dealing with potentially life-threatening situation, we have a week's worth of comfortable humidity, cool, crisp lows, hot highs, and sunshine for the next 7 days.